Are you looking to access Oyster's global benefits, but unsure where to start? In this quick Oyster guide, we'll walk you through how to unlock all the global benefits Oyster offers and how you can use this powerful platform to manage your team across different countries. Whether you're hiring remotely or managing a global workforce, Oyster software makes it easier to handle everything from compliance to payroll. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the most out of Oyster's global benefits, plus an exclusive bonus that'll let you try it for free. Now, let's dive right into it. Oyster provides a centralized platform for managing international teams, giving you access to essential benefits like health insurance, tax compliance, and other employee perks tailored to each country. So, how do you access these benefits? It starts with setting up your account on the Oyster platform. After registering and logging in, you'll be able to easily onboard employees from around the world, ensuring that you stay compliant with each region's specific requirements. The platform automatically adjusts to local laws and regulations, saving you time and reducing the risk of mistakes. When it comes to accessing Oyster's global benefits, you'll want to go to the Global Benefits section within the platform. Here, you'll find a variety of benefits specific to the country or region your employees are in. Oyster offers a wide range of options, including healthcare, retirement plans, and other perks that you can offer your team, no matter where they're located. The benefits are curated to comply with the local laws, so you won't have to worry about navigating complex legal systems yourself. This is especially valuable if you're a company that's hiring globally for the first time and want to ensure your team is well taken care of. For each country, you'll find options for medical coverage, employee wellness programs, and more. You can customize the offerings based on your team's needs, making sure everyone gets the benefits that align with local standards. Oyster even offers flexible benefits packages, allowing employees to choose their own healthcare providers or retirement options, which can be a big win for employee satisfaction and retention. As you continue setting up your team, you'll also be able to access Oyster's payroll management features, which tie into the global benefits. The system ensures that everyone gets paid correctly, with taxes automatically calculated based on the local rules. This is crucial when managing a diverse team across multiple countries, because it eliminates the risk of over or underpaying employees. And here's the best part. Once you've set up your global benefits and payroll, Oyster makes it easy to manage ongoing tasks. You'll have full visibility into your team's benefits, from the health insurance premiums to retirement contributions. Plus, all of this information is available in real time, so you can track everything and stay on top of your company's global operations. I also want to let you know that if you're new to Oyster, you can access it for completely free right now through the first link below. This exclusive bonus will give you an extended free trial, so you can test the platform, set up your global benefits, and experience everything that Oyster has to offer, without any risk or commitment. Make sure to take advantage of this limited time offer. In summary, accessing Oyster's global benefits is straightforward once you're set up on the platform. With a few simple steps, you can manage your international team's benefits, payroll, and compliance, all in one place. Don't forget to check out the first link in the description below for your extended free trial, and start using Oyster today to unlock the full potential of your global workforce.